Hi Tindo, this is Lee from Otters SEO. I said I would send you a free video, and this is it. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks of when you create your website, of how you can attract various customers and book more jobs. I know you don't have a website right now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at one of your competitors and see what they're doing, and then hopefully you can beat them and get all their traffic. So looking at Refrigiration in Cape Town, one of the top competitors that I found here is Cape Town Refrigiration. You'll see they've got quite a nice website. They've got a nice contact details right off the bat, easy to email, get a quote, etc. So something that you could potentially do as well. Very nicely laid out website. Looking at their content though, they only have about 200-300 words of content. Google recommends that you have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and this is when they go out and index the various websites, then they try to extract keywords from the website so that they can put it in their search engine. They need a lot of content to do that, so if you put 1,500 words of content on your homepage, then you make it quite easy for them to rank you basically in their search engine. So remember that when you're creating your website. The next thing I want to go through is around the Google search results. Sometimes what you'll see in the beginning here is not coming up right now, but there's normally Google ads. Google ads are useful for getting quick links to your website, but of course for every click you have to pay Google a small percentage or a small amount. So quick to get traffic to your website, but expensive in the long run. The next part is the Google map listing, and this shows all the companies in the area basically. So very nice because you can quickly see someone's website, telephone number, etc. And actually 30 to 40% of all traffic of these people searching will click on one of these three links basically. So a lot of traffic coming here. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you have to increase your number of citations, and all that a citation is a combination of your company name, your contact number, and your physical address. You want to get those listed on various directories. You can think about like Yellow Pages, Gumtree, those kind of things. The more you get listed on those directories, the higher you'll place in this position. I normally go between 100 and 200 citations just to be safe and be in these top 3 positions and get all that traffic. The third area here is the organic search result, and this is what Google sees as most relevant for what you've typed in. Also very important to be in the top 3 positions because 29% of people will click on the first link, 15% of people on the second, and 10% of people on the third link. Actually, only less than 9% of people, less than 1 out of 10 people, will actually go past the first page of Google. So very important to be in the top 3 because you'll get a lot of traffic and potential customers. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? I'll show you that next. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and basically what that allows us to do they allow us to put a website into the search bar here, so like a competitor's website, and it basically spits out a bunch of numbers. And this is the numbers what Google will use to rank the websites in their search engine. The first number we can look at is the UR, that's the trust rating, that's how much Google trusts the website. And it's quite surprising because this is a top competitor and Google doesn't actually really trust their website, so very, very beatable. The strength index is how powerful their website is in Google's eyes, and it's also sitting at a 0, so very, very weak numbers and very easy to beat in my opinion. The backlinks and referring domains are the important bits. This is what's going to rank you on the organic search results. You want to get these numbers as high as possible. So basically a backlink is basically just a link from another website to your website, basically a shout out from their website to yours, and the referring domains are the number of unique websites that are pointing to you. Like I said, you want to get the numbers as high as possible, but also not all backlinks are created equal. The quality of the backlinks are important. Let's keep note of that. They're getting picked up for 17 organic keywords, and those are the keywords people will be searching for, and that's relates back to my point right in the beginning where it goes around how much content you have on your website. Because they're top ranked competitor, they're getting quite a lot of traffic. They're getting 436 people every month finding their website from Google. So that's 436 potential clients that are coming to their website every single month. So a lot of traffic that could be coming to you if you decide to create a website. So if we look at the keywords, filtering on South Africa here, you'll see these are the keywords that they've extracted from the website. So one of the keywords was fridge repair Cape Town. And you'll see that an amazing 2,300 people per month searching for this on Google every single month. And because it's the main competitor, they're getting the majority of these searches. They're getting a third of this basically coming to their website. So that's a lot of potential traffic that you could be getting and converting to actual clients. You can also, of course, see all related other key terms that are picked up. So a lot of traffic going down the list here. So just to summarize, when you do create your website, make sure that your homepage is 1,500 words or more. So it makes it easier for Google to rank you. Second, if you want to be on the Google map listing, the top 3 positions, ensure that you increase the number of citations that you have, so you can get all that traffic. And third, if you want to be on the top 3 positions of the organic search result, make sure you increase your number of backlinks and your referring domains. As I said, all these tips are free to use and implement today, and hopefully you do create that website. If you want to have more information, or you want to see how I can help you to implement a website and get you this kind of traffic, please reach out to me. I would love to help you however I can. Either way, I hope the best for you. I would appreciate a line of feedback from you, just to say if you liked the video and if you found it useful or not. I'm trying to help a couple of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Cheers.